Do I gotta stay? Come
You
down?
guys can stay in. Driver, just step out.
If you're not working in New York, you're nuts.
We are lost. Yo, what's good, everybody? Good morning. From you guys saw, today is January 2nd, which is the second official day of 2024. Today will be an amazing trip because we are taking an RV all the way up to Utah to Zion National Park, which is like 6 hours away. And currently it is 12 p.m. right now, and then we're gonna get the RV rental, and after that we're gonna move everything on and then show you guys around, and we start the trip. Right, arrived at the RV place. Damn, my camera is kind of messed up right now. Look at this, look at all these RVs right here, man. So we booked a big one actually. Right, RV in the behind, as you see. So currently, I don't think you can tell, but these are the big RV right now. Let me show you this. Show you how big this one is. This is not a normal size one. We bought a we rent an extra size, extra large, extra juicy one. With like, you can fit like 10 people in here, and you still have like 15 more spaces left. So we're gonna unload everything on here, and because for 4 days we have a lot of stuff. Look at the magnitude of what we have. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Doing good?
Very cool,
Right.
man.
So
everything is cool.
I'm gonna set the camera down and let's do a quick unloading, offloading process. Right. I don't know if you can tell, but like we got a lot going on right now. Oh man, this is tiring. Right, I don't know what time it is right now, but I think it's past 2, and I think we should get it going because we look at the map, it's around 6 hours from here. Right now we're in San Bernardino, so like we're gonna go up there. We'll go through Vegas, by the way, so traffic might be just a little bit tight because today's the day after New Year's, so people might have breaks, so alright, let's get going. Situational update. It is currently, hey, what time is it right now? It's currently 45 minutes past 2, which is 2:45 p.m. and we're still in a rental place because we're waiting for the insurance update. We can't go anywhere to like the insurance like make us go somewhere, you know, like you get what I mean, right? So
1 hour later.
So how do you feel right now? First time?
Yeah, first time.
First time ever, big one. Alright, it might be a little bit shaky because of like obviously the car is moving. Here's a exclusive complimentary review of this RV. Alright, let's do the tour real quick. Okay, so sitting spot, very nice sitting spot. So here's the sitting spot. It's a long couch. You can really put your legs down and without really giving a care because very nice sitting area. Kitchen area, you can cook, microwave in there, and then there's also plenty of storage unit. Alright, moving on here, here's the walkway. There is also a fridge. Wow. Fridge, full of food for the next 4 days. We have many sitting areas here as well because couch right here. Also plenty of leg space. Don't forget we also have a lavatory. Lavatory here is pretty equipped with what you need. Obviously there is what you use for. There's a toilet, full-size shower, you can stand up in it, and then there is a few more extra spaces here for what you need, and don't forget a sink. Alright, let's get out of here now. It kind of smells in here, I'm not gonna lie. So. Right, currently we're at a truck stop. I mean, actually, it's a rest area. Oh, yo, bro, this is a nice view out here. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at that. Alright, I was gonna tell, it's currently 5:05. My sister's gonna try to drive this big RV right here. God bless us. So far so good, it ain't going too good, is it? Wait, It seems sketcy, bro. I don't know why she's wrong.
先行到路中間望遠啲嚇，望遠附近嚇。睇住睇下前面條路啊，喺路啊，喺路。係啦，你唔好顧咁多喺路。係啦，你跟住架火車行，如果未熟悉嘅話，唔好理佢。
Hey, I think what you do is let her do her thing, and God forbid anything happens because this is not good. You know what I mean? I'm scared, bro. Like, she's not scared. I'm scared, bro. What the hell? Alright, everybody. Currently, we're in Vegas right now.
Not yet, not in Vegas.
Not yet in Vegas. Like right next to it. The Terribles Hotel, you guys know about. Alright, we need to get something out to just cook a little bit of food and eat, and then continue our journey because it is. It's only been 3 hours, and I still have 3 more hours to go. So we have a while to go, guys. Alright, let me show you around real quick. Oh my God, look at this. They're gonna get the thing out, put it in the rice cooker.
Yeah.
Currently it is 6:54, basically 7 you could say. Rice is cooking, 30 minutes, so we're going to the next truck stop, which is 50 minutes away. So thanks to my sister for being a light person. Thank you. Anyways, see you guys in 50 minutes.
A few moments later.
We're approaching Las Vegas right now. Yo, fireworks, bro. Damn.
Okay.
Alright, arrived at this truck stop. Oh, damn. This kid's playing fireworks down there. What's your thoughts, man? We have 2 hours to go.
Yeah.
And currently.
Yeah.
So, are you tired?
Tired, but I also is exciting.
Excited.
The big car.
Big
It's
car.
a challenge.
Challenge, yes, exactly.
Yeah. You know, very long.
Very long. Look at
This
this.
is my life, the first one.
His whole life, first time driving this, man.
Yeah.
Look,
50 years old. First
50
one.
years old, first time. Cooking some steak right now. Steak?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, very good, huh?
Delicious.
Look at this. Okay, guys. I don't know if you know this or not, but oh shoot. remote control for the TVs. There's 4 TVs in the whole RV, so there's one right. Yeah, that's not good. Well, guess the TV don't work. Real quick. Alright, we arrived right now. Currently at Zion National. No, not. It's the RV park. What's it called? It's called. Shh. She's fucking loud as shit. Okay. So basically, we have to check in right now to this RV resort that we booked. Man, it's kind of cold outside, and I'm walking as you see. Going to check in. RV's in the back. Alright, let's go check in. After hours check-in. If you're not receiving a pre-round email.
Oh yeah.
Do we pull it out? I think we pull it out.
Yeah,
let's pull it out. Let's pull it out.
Back in here.
Okay. It's kind of cold.
Security.
Security go. Let's go. Alright, we got the thing. All we gotta do. Let's go back to the RV. Look how big our RV is, man. Oh, it's kind of cold out here. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we gotta keep the light down. Okay, people are sleeping. We gotta keep it. Okay, so as you see, let's turn around. Show them this art. You can't even see, bro. You can't even see. Oh. Yo, bro, there's a river down there, bro. So basically, short story long. Okay, my mic is covering the light, but as you see, RV arrived, river down there, 2 nights here tomorrow. Shoot, tomorrow Zion National Park, here we come. Before that, let's park the RV. My hands are absolutely freezing, bro, like it's dead. Okay, you guys. Right, as you might have know, we have settled in right now. Let me show you real quick, give you a little tour around the place. So first of all, it's my sister's. That's that used to be a dining table, now turned to a bed. Mine was a couch, now turned to a bed for me as well. Oh, here's my tripod, don't want to lose that. Put it here. And then of course, there's a bunk bed here, just for storage for now, because there's a lot of stuff. Hey, we'll skip that. Taking a shower. We all took a shower already. We also dumped out the gray water and stuff. Here's the master bedroom. Yeah, and then yeah, there's also one up. There's a little bunk up here, up the little thingy. I might use that maybe somewhere along the trip. I will, but I will definitely use this for tonight. Maybe this for tomorrow or this. We'll see. And then of course I have to try out the little bunk up here. So yeah, and yeah, on that note, that's the end for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, leave a like and subscribe, of course. It's totally free, up to you, by the way. Try to get me to 500, you know, 2 more. 2 of you guys watch the video. But anyways, on that note, see you guys in the next video, which is tomorrow. We're gonna wake up early, and yeah, peace. Are we good?